What if the secret to a stronger memory, better focus, and even feeling happier was hiding in your sleep? Every night, your body goes through something amazing. Two types of sleep that do totally different jobs. One heals your body, the other boosts your brain. But here's the shocker. Missing even one of these could hurt your health, and you might not even know it. Today, we're diving into the real difference between REM and non-REM sleep. What they do, how they work, and why skipping one can mess with your mind, your mood, and even your immune system. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which type of sleep matters most and how to get more of it. Let's start with what actually happens the moment you fall asleep. Have you ever wondered what really happens when you sleep? It's not just one big nap. Your brain and body go through two special types of sleep over and over again every night. First, there's non-REM sleep or quiet sleep. This has 3 stages. In stage 1, your body starts to relax. You're just drifting off. Stage 2 is a bit deeper. Your heartbeat slows down, your body cools, and your brain gets ready to do some serious work. Then comes stage 3. This is deep sleep. It's like your body's repair time. You sleep the hardest here. Then about 90 minutes after falling asleep, something strange happens. Your brain wakes up, but your body stays still. This is REM sleep. REM means rapid eye movement, and it's exactly that. Your eyes move quickly under your eyelids, and your brain gets super active, almost like you're awake. This is when dreams happen, and your brain starts solving problems and sorting memories. Your body goes through 4 to 5 of these full cycles every night. At the start of the night, you get more deep non-REM sleep, but later, REM sleep lasts longer and longer. So basically, early night equals more body repair, and late night equals more brain work and dreams. But what exactly does deep non-REM sleep fix in your body? Deep non-REM sleep is like your body's night crew. It kicks in during stage 3 when your brain waves slow way down, and that's when the real magic starts. Your body begins repairing tissues, healing tiny injuries, and even building new muscle. It's also when growth hormone gets released, the stuff that helps kids grow and helps adults stay strong and healthy. But there's more. Even your brain uses this time to replay important information from the day, especially things you need to remember, like facts, names, or places. This is called declarative memory, and deep sleep helps store it like a hard drive. So what happens if you don't get enough deep sleep? You wake up feeling like you ran a marathon, tired, sore, and foggy. And worse, your memory might feel like it's full of holes. That's why non-REM sleep is vital for your body and brain to recharge. But now let's flip the coin. What happens when your brain starts dreaming? That's REM sleep, and it's wild. While your body stays still, your brain lights up like it's wide awake. This is when you dream, and your brain gets to work on a different kind of job. REM sleep helps you lock in skills, like riding a bike, playing piano, or typing faster. This is called procedural memory, and REM is the stage that makes it stick, but it goes deeper. REM is also your emotional cleanup crew. It replays emotional events from your day, but in a calmer, dreamlike state. It's like your brain is doing overnight therapy, helping you make sense of what you felt. Studies show the more REM sleep you get, the calmer your brain becomes. People with higher REM sleep have less anxiety, better moods, and even lower risk of PTSD after trauma. So if you've ever woken up after a deep dream and felt emotionally lighter, that wasn't random. That was your brain healing you. But what happens when you don't get enough REM sleep? That's where things start to go wrong. Your brain starts to lose its creative edge. See, REM isn't just for dreams and emotions. It also fuels your creative thinking. During REM sleep, your brain connects random ideas in strange new ways. That's why dreams can be so bizarre, but also kind of genius. It's your brain doing out-of-the-box thinking while you sleep. In fact, studies found that people woken up during REM sleep were 32% better at solving tricky puzzles compared to those in other sleep stages. It's like REM turns your brain into a quiet inventor, mixing old memories with new ideas to help you find answers you couldn't while awake. So the next time you sleep on a problem, REM might just give you the answer. And hey, what's the weirdest or most brilliant idea you've ever had in a dream? Drop it in the comments. Let's see how wild our brains can really get. Okay, so what happens if you don't get enough REM sleep? Well, things start to break down fast. You might feel tired even after a full night's sleep. Your mood swings, your memory gets foggy, and it becomes harder to control your emotions. Ever snapped at someone for no reason? Lack of REM might be the hidden cause. Over time, missing REM can lead to bigger problems like anxiety, depression, even weight gain and diabetes. And here's the scary part. Studies show that people with long-term REM loss have a higher risk of dementia as they age. But your brain knows how important REM is. So when it finally gets the chance to rest, it goes into something called REM rebound, where your brain dives straight into dream mode to catch up. That's how badly it wants to fix things. So yeah, REM isn't just dream sleep, it's brain maintenance mode. Now here's the big question. If you had to pick, is non-REM or REM sleep more important? Well, you can't pick one. It's like asking, should I breathe in or out? Both are critical, but for different reasons. Non-REM sleep is like your body's personal repair shop. It's when your muscles rebuild, your immune system strengthens, and your energy tanks get refilled. It also clears out waste from your brain, literally flushing toxins that could build up and cause problems like Alzheimer's later in life. REM sleep, on the other hand, is the brain's mental therapy session. It helps you process emotions, store memories, boost creativity, and problem solve in your dreams. Without REM, your mind stays cluttered and emotionally overloaded. Here's what's fascinating. Your brain actually uses both types of sleep to organize memories. Think of it like this. Non-REM sleep clears out the junk, things you don't need to remember. REM sleep strengthens the important stuff, like your skills, feelings, and core memories. Together, they form a full memory cycle, working like a tag team while you're passed out under your blanket. But when one of them gets disturbed, the whole system breaks. And what causes that? Caffeine, especially late in the day, blocks your ability to fall into deep non-REM sleep. Alcohol might knock you out faster, but it blocks REM, so your brain misses its chance to dream and heal. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea constantly wake your body, stopping you from entering the deeper stages at all. Even staying up too late or using your phone in bed can throw off your sleep cycle, messing with both timing and quality. So instead of asking, which one is more important, the real question is, how can we protect both REM and non-REM sleep? Here's what actually works, backed by science. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule. Your brain runs on a clock. Sleeping and waking at the same time helps your body complete full sleep cycles, including that sweet 20 to 25% of REM. 2. No caffeine after 4 p.m. It lingers for approximately 6 hours and blocks deep non-REM sleep, even if you fall asleep. 3. Skip alcohol before bed. It may knock you out, but it wrecks REM. That's why you feel tired after sleeping it off. 4. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Blue light delays melatonin, your sleep hormone, making it harder to enter deep sleep. 5. Check for hidden sleep issues. Sleep apnea and snoring can wake your brain all night, silently robbing you of rest. Always tired? Get checked. Bonus tip: wind down before bed. Read, meditate, or breathe deeply. It helps your brain shift into sleep mode. Now let's bring it all together. Non-REM sleep heals your body. REM sleep organizes your mind. Missing either one? That's when the real problems begin. Low energy, poor memory, mood swings, even long-term health issues. So now we want to know from you. Do you ever wake up right in the middle of a dream or feel weirdly groggy even after 8 hours? Tell us your experience in the comments. We always read them. And if you want more science-backed health tips to boost your sleep, energy, and life, tap like, hit subscribe. And if you'd like to discover the microbiome's shocking impact on your health, or want to boost your immune system with the surprising power of vitamin D, just tap the videos on screen and start exploring.